Stop those frustrating Nvidia ShadowPlay Instant Replay GTA 5 crashes immediately! If Grand Theft Auto V keeps crashing due to ShadowPlay, you need these solutions now. First, open GeForce Experience, navigate to Settings, find the in-game overlay and simply toggle Instant Replay OFF. This often resolves direct conflicts by disabling the problematic feature. If that doesn't work, outdated drivers are likely the cause, so move to Method 2. Head to the Drivers tab in GeForce Experience, check for updates, and perform a clean installation. Fresh drivers optimize performance and remove old, corrupt files. Still crashing? Method 3 involves verifying GTA 5 game files. In your Steam library, right-click Grand Theft Auto V, go to Local Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This repairs any corrupted game data. Finally, if crashes persist, adjust your ShadowPlay settings. Within the in-game overlay settings, change your temporary recordings folder to a different drive or reduce instant replay length and quality. A new save location prevents drive conflicts and lower quality reduces system load, ensuring stable Grand Theft Auto V gameplay